Hey, what's up guys, it's Fisayo here and this is my review of the TECNO Camon X, and in this video I'll also be comparing it to the Camon CM which came out earlier this year as well. I've used the Camon X for about 2 weeks now and here are my thoughts about it. If you find yourself liking this video along the way, please hit the like button. Also make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be the first to know whenever I post a new video. Without further ado, let's get to the video. First thing I noticed in the build quality department while I used it was it just felt like the Camon CM. The Camon X feels very light in the hand, and as far as my remarks about this, it's comfortable to use. TECNO took design up a notch with this phone by adding that gold chrome looking touch to the camera and the logo on the back of the phone. It's got some plastic matte material on the back and you're really not missing much as far as the body of the phone goes, coming from something like the Camon CM. The phone is obviously bigger at 6 inches compared to 5.7 inches on the Camon CM. You have more screen real estate, and like I said in my previous video, I really like the curved edge on the inner display. It just makes me appreciate the efforts a little bit more. As far as what's new, the Camon X comes with Face ID, and yeah, while I currently use the iPhone 10 as my daily driver, it kind of made me also subconsciously use my face to unlock the Camon X, and for every time I tried it, it worked. Just in case you're wondering, like I said in my previous video, Face ID here can't be fooled with a picture of you. It's fast, and as far as what I prefer to unlock the Camon X, I'd say both the Face ID and fingerprint reader are very good choices. The Camon X is an 18:9 6-inch 720p display, and the display quality of the Camon X is good. You definitely notice the pixels if you look harder, and I just wish it was a 1080p display. Overall viewing angles are just good enough, but again, a 1080p display would have made me recommend this phone. The cameras on the Camon X are among one of the best TECNO cameras I've used. Maybe it's because I kind of prefer a more saturated picture. I don't know, but what I like is that the pictures aren't just high res. They are also shareable. The selfies are quite sharp as well, and I also noticed that it did lack some depth of field. The shots are quite detailed on the Camon X, and I also find HDR mode to be the best mode to shoot in. In conclusion, it makes the colors pop like I said, and it produces high quality usable images. It also holds its own in lesser lighting conditions. Main highlights of the Camon X's specifications are the 3GB of RAM and 2GHz Octa-core MediaTek processor. However, that 16GB of storage is just not enough. I felt like it was TECNO's way of saying, hey, hop on to the Camon X Pro with 64GB of storage and 4GB of RAM. But anyway, that's just how I feel about it. Call quality is great. The software runs smoothly on that Android 8.1 in TECNO's iOS 3.3 skin, all running on a 3750 mAh battery, which I can confirm really lasts very well. In fact, if there's anything I recommend this phone for apart from the camera, it's the battery. A lot of you guys asked about the performance on the Camon X, and I just optimal. The speaker quality is also okay as well. It's a mono speaker and downward facing, which will face all the normal problems a downward facing speaker would have. All in all, it's good. By far, one of the most asked questions from the unboxing video was about the price of the Camon X. It's 58,900 naira, and even though we haven't seen an official price for the Camon X Pro yet, I think the Pro is what I would lean towards recommending. In conclusion, I still maintain the fact that I would have highly recommended the Camon X if it had a 1080p display and anything other than a 16GB of storage in 2018. It comes with 4G, a lot of sensors, and it's pretty efficient. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. Please leave a comment down below if you still have any questions. I'll be answering all your questions in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.